In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to lock money on Piggyvest app. So all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest account. So you can see right here, whether you're on Android or on iPhone, then log into your Piggyvest account. Then the next thing you're going to do, just scroll down to savings. You can see savings right there. Then you're gonna see the page just like this. You can see Piggyvest, Safelock, target savings, house money. So you can see different options right there. So we're gonna use the save lock option, which is lock fund to avoid temptation. So I'm gonna click on save lock. So the next thing I'm gonna do, you can see right there, I don't have any save lock currently. You can see save lock balance is 0, and if you scroll down, you see some recommendation from the Piggyvest itself. So you can see some recommendation, and also they give you some ideas on how much you're gonna make. You can see if you lock 15,000 naira for 365 days, you're gonna earn 1,500 naira, and if you lock 50,000 naira for 120 days, you're gonna be making 1,644 naira, and if you lock 20,000 naira for 90 days, you're gonna be making 443 naira point 8 cent, and if you lock 12,000 naira for 30 days, you're gonna be making 59 naira 60 cent. So let's say you want to save lock, click on create a lock. Then here you can select the duration of how long you want to lock your money. You can see how long do you want to lock fund. Select a duration that you want to lock your fund and earn upfront interest of up to 13%, depending on how long you want to save the money. So let's say from 10 days to 30 days, which of course give you the interest of 6% per annum. So the lesser the time you save, the lesser the interest will be. So you can see this option is for those who just want to lock away fund short time to avoid spending the money. So let's say I click on that. Then this page will load right here. So I don't know if I can actually lock 2,000 or 1,000 naira, for example. You can see 1,000 naira. I'm not sure if that's possible. Sorry. So I put in 1,000 naira. Let's say data, for example. So I put in data, then setting a payback date. So I'm gonna select 10 days, for example. So I'm gonna select the funding source from my Flex Naira. So you can see that I'm gonna click on preview save lock. So let's preview the save lock and see how it's gonna looks like. So basically, if I save 1,000 naira for 10 days, I'm gonna be earning 1 naira 64 cent interest, and the maturity date will be 2nd of April 2024. You can see lock duration is 10 days, and if you see the matured into your piggy flex, and you can see the interest is also shown at the top. So down below right here, which is most very important part, you can see I authorize Piggyvest to safe lock 1,000 naira immediately and return it in full on Tuesday 2nd of April 2024 by 11:55 p.m. to my Piggy Flex. I confirm and approve this transaction. So I'm gonna select that. That means I approve that. Then the second one says, I hereby acknowledge that this safe lock cannot be broken once it has been created, which is most the place that people actually get things confused, because once you select this option right here, you cannot break this lock. Once you turn this option on, you can see if I didn't turn it on, this option will not show. You can see I won't be able to proceed. But if I toggle it on, I'll be able to see that option. So you can see create save lock. If I toggle off this option, I'm not going to be able to save the money, because the way they actually set up the plan is that you can't withdraw the money once you lock it. That's the safe lock. You can't withdraw it. Probably it might happen in another saving option on the Piggyvest, but on this save lock option you can't actually do that. So you have to toggle it on to Safelock, or you have to just go back and use another option. So that is how it works. So once you toggle it on, then let's see, create Safelock, then they're gonna ask you to verify. So once I verify that, then the money will be removed from my account and Safelock automatically, just like that. So it's creating already, so I'm gonna wait. I just received an email that I saved 1000 naira, so till 2nd of April 2024, and the money will be dropped back to my flex piggy flex on that day, and I'm gonna be earning that interest. So that is how it works and how you can Safelock on Piggyvest app.